Is Alba gonna skip some rocks?
Here we go. Here goes a rock skip. Watch it. Watch it go. Oh, that one was terrible. Here we go. This one's going to join his comrades on the other side of the river. And they had a spider trying to join me. Okay. Oh!
I don't think I saw that one.
You did see
I think I'm gonna have to zoom in. Did that one make it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Probably too far away. Let's see.
Yeah. Hey, baby love. Do you like this water? Oh yeah. I got that one. Where's your Ani rock?
You didn't turn it upside down, did you?